Okay, so today we're under the 2001 Chevy Silverado, half ton, and we're changing the transfer case fluid. So that's it right there. Your drain plug is right there on the bottom. It's already gone because they just pulled it, so it's just dripping. But that's an 18 millimeter. So we're gonna let that drain just a little bit longer. And if you look, yep, that right there, this is your fill plug. So let me get my finger so it'll focus. That's your fill plug. So once it's done draining, put the drain plug back in, and then we'll remove that, and then we'll start filling it up. All right, get ready to put some transfer case fluid in here. So this is what you need. And I highly recommend getting a pump because there's not really any room to, take a bottle and really get it in there. So just spend the money, just get the pump, make it easy on yourself. And, that way you can get done and move on to something else kind of fun, right? As you can see, there's not a lot of room, especially not having a lift. So definitely go with the pump. All right, just finishing up. So you see the pump. I just had the tube fed into the fill plug, and all you do is just keep pumping it until it starts to spill out. And it takes, it's around 2 quarts. This one just took, like 1 3/4 quarts or something like that, but close enough. And then just put the fill plug back in and just snug it up. You don't need to crank these, no impacts, anything like that. Just snug it up. And then that's pretty much it. We just gotta clean up the fluid that's sitting in that and, dripping. That way you don't think you have a blown transfer case or anything goofy like that. All right, so we're gonna get all wrapped up now.